Hello friends, welcome to Sago Chess Academy. I'm starting my YouTube channel today and launching my first video on this channel. Request you all to subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video then please click on the like button. The basic idea behind starting this channel to provide all updates related to Sago Chess Academy. We are all locked in home from last almost 6 months due to coronavirus, and all our kids, they are not able to go out and play any outdoor game, and that create a lot of problem with the parents at home because kids are only watching videos, just playing all online games and tic tac and whatever, and they are wasting their time. They are not utilizing their time appropriately. So I decided to start my chess academy and provide online training for the kids between the age group 6 to 15. It's not only for the age group, but I decided to provide this online chess training to any other chess lovers or any other age group also. I started my playing chess since my childhood, and I played my first chess tournament in 1991 when I was in 11th standard, and from that time onward I participated in many tournaments in India and outside India. When I was in Germany, when I was working in Germany, I played almost 7 tournaments, 7 international tournaments, and represented India in all those 7 tournaments. If you heard the name FIDE, FIDE is a World Chess Organization, and all main players, all world rated players are present on this FIDE organization. Our Vishwanathan Anand, then Magnus Carlsen, who is a world champion, current world champion, and there are many other players are listed on this FIDE chess organization website. I also got opportunity to play in FIDE rated tournaments in Germany, and I got FIDE rating in Blitz and rapid chess tournaments. There are 3 categories, and I got rating in 2 categories at this time. So my name is also listed on FIDE website. So basic idea behind starting this chess academy to provide online training to kids, and also I want to share a very important information about chess. If you are playing chess or if you are learning chess, then there are a lot of benefits. The main benefit, it will improve your memory, it will improve your thinking power, it will improve your planning or forecasting capability. Forecasting in the sense you can think future things or what you can do in future. Okay, it increase your IQ. It help in your study also, to concentrate on study. So there are many advantages if you are playing chess regularly. if you are participating in tournaments regularly, then there are a lot of advantage. And that is the reason I started this chess academy. In last 2 weeks of time, I started almost 5 batches, and at this time total 20 students registered with my academy, and all are from various parts of the world. They are from India, they are from USA, they are from Germany, they are from Sweden, and those kids are really very enthusiastic, and they participated in all my training programs according to the plan. So we have a batches three days a week, and you can contact me on my WhatsApp and mobile number 860-569-7161 or 7249008892. These are my two numbers where you can make all the inquiries about the chess, about my academy, about my new batches which are starting in another next 1 week of time. There are new batches will start. So I request you all to encourage your kids to join my chess academy and learn chess, play chess, and improve all your skills in chess. Okay, thank you very much. Do visit my channel on YouTube, subscribe my channel, and stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.